Like slowly breathing out.
Yeah, like go. Yeah. Then we'll put it again and we blow into this one. Like
Blow into this one.
blow. Yeah. You will use your snorkel while swimming.
No. Get it under.
No.
Still.
So you will blow it like okay. I will do like this. We take this one out and blow small bubbles and put it in. Blow this. So the water will go from here.
Okay.
Okay?
We have to do this again and again.
No, we will do one time.
One time.
Yeah.
After that we can breathe in and out by this device.
Then the second practice is pause button. Okay? I will do like this.
This button?
Yeah, this button. You can press this button. Out like this. Okay? Much is okay. Okay? If you don't have enough air to breathe out to do like this, then you will push pause button. Okay? You will bite here like this and cover this area with your lips. Like okay? And the second practice we do is I will say look at me, you stop, I will take a big breath and put this one out and this part have to be down and you can blow small bubbles and put it in and push pause button. Okay? You can block here with your tongue like this and the water will go from here. Okay? And third practice we do is clearing the mask. Okay? Clearing the mask in underwater. If you have some water when you are in dive, if you have some water in your mask, you cannot come up every time you have water. That's why we used to learn how to clear in the mask underwater. First we take a breath from the regulator. I will show you with the mask. Okay?
Okay. See. Mary.
Okay, I will do like this. I'll put this one and take a big breath from the regulator and we'll look little bit up. So the water will come to here.
Okay.
It will hold here
Yeah.
and look up and breathe out from your nose. Breathe in from your mouth and breathe out from your nose. Like this. Then the water will go from here.
Okay.
Okay? We will put some water into our mask by
Water will disturb our breathe by nose.
yeah.
Yeah.
When you breathe out from your nose, the water will go from here. Okay? When you breathe out from your nose, this part like this. But you only have to do is touch here and look little bit up and breathe out from your nose.
Okay.
Like this. Okay?